Ayan ang kiddos. Yeah, it's yummy. We're waiting for our check-in. Ito si Wayne. You can sit there beside the kids. They drinking. Can you get me another one? Because they drink it mine. They drinking a complimentary drinks. Ayan si Wayne. Sabi ko, kuha niya ako eh. Punta na kami sa loob ng room. Nag-book kami one day kasi baka maraming tao pa uwi. Dahil atin kami ng Australia Day.
Don't lose the card, huh? You need it today. Don't lose the thing. You have the Wi-Fi. Also, don't want to use it. That's pay from.
Up to our room. We're waiting.
You're gonna sit in the ground when you go out to eat?
Go.
No, it's okay. This one is not gonna kill
Pero
you.
said, go.
It's not like Philippines. There's a sensor.
Yeah, feel.
Go. Go.
Go inside. That's your house in one day.
The bed is nearly taller than me. But it's only so nice.
We are first floor only, so we cannot see too high here.
Oh my God, why we only fed food?
First only. That's the available.
You mean second?
Ah, yeah. That's the toilet.
There's the toilet.
That's
toilet
me.
Nice. The toilet nice, Mom.
Huh?
The toilet nice.
The toilet is nice.
Yeah,
You shower
and the
here.
shower. It's nice.
They make it
It's
super
not
weak.
myself.
Si Wei naglalagay ng pagkain sa fridge.
Super smooth.
Food. Look natin the toilet. This looks okay.
This is my bed. Oh, this is my bed.
Ayan ako.
It's a bit
Meron nga pala silang ayan. Complimentary Wi-Fi. Oh, they have a laundry and dry cleaning, fitness, dinner. Busy sila paglalagay ng flags para sa Australia. Australia event na pupunta. Paalis na kami dito maya-maya. Set up lang ng konti. Nagulo na yung bahay kanina. Ang linis oh, yung room. Dalawang kulit eh. Ang daming kalat. Ayaw nga. Can I check it? Ayaw, they put a lot of flags there in the building. It's cute. That's all the people is. Where's the motocross?
What?
Motor. That's all the people is. It's a lot. Oh, sunny. Ito special to sa mga special to sa mga may hawak ng event. Yung may hawak ng mga, sa mga worker pa, tsaka sa mga ito yung artista oh. Yung mayor pala. Si mayor.
We watched before near the fence. Yeah.
Ang daming tao oh. Where? Ah, there. We can go there later.
No one can block you.
Oo, because it's already na. Si Sienna nakatulog na. Pero okay lang, para gising siya mamaya sa fireworks. Si Pera, ito gising na gising. May tattoo siya. Hi Pera, say hi. Oh, let's go walking again. Where we going to walk? Punta kami ng motocross. Sa mataas na yan. May pakita ko sa inyo. going anyway. Oo. Waiting naman kami ngayon guys sa skydive. Sabi 6:15 skydive eh. Dito daw yung galing sa airplane na nag-dive. Dito siya. Dito siya bababa. Dito siya maglalan. Well, ayan na, ang daming taong naghihintay. Sila ng mga nakatungo sa taas. Parang look up lang ngayon. Yung sa Pinas. O yung mga tumuturo. Asan kaya? Tumuturo sila. Ang hirap lang silipin. Kasi mataas yung sikat ng araw. Look up. Well, I cannot even see. Well. I don't even see.
See the smog?
Where?
Yeah,
There! Just
the
go
tree.
po, it's
See
super
how it
small.
is. You never come here to see it.
Super
Hey, look
small.
at-
Yeah, that one, that's super small. Super small. Pero look.
Wait, see the smoke there? Look.
Ayan na siya guys. So ayan. Nakita niyo ba yung smoke na yan? Ayan. Ayan na siya. Ayan yung hinihintay namin papunta.
One has a
Papunta dito.
look, one has a red smoke.
Hinihintay ng mga tao. Hinihintay
It's
siya.
full.
Pero look! They have a smoke there, oh!
Beautiful. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it all.
Ito si Pera. Oh,
Ouch!
Pera, don't hurt your dad. Hi, Pera. They will land na. Look, Pera, you see the smoke is nearly.
I only see 4. I'm blocking the sun. They're orange smoke, see it?
It's weird. Cannot imagine they will come there. Super high. Sunny, sunny, sunny.
I think that can go to the
You can see it that before.
Yeah.
It's super.
I have perfect eyes. There, look, again in bigger now. Look. Yeah, again in bigger now.
Agar, ipa-pass forward yun. Ayan sila, ayun. Ayun.
Look, they're coming close now. Look, there, look. Yeah.
Whoa, I can see the parachute na. Before it's just the smoke.
Look, they
Pero
have a
look,
streamer.
yeah, pero there's like a kite, flying
They have a
kite,
kite
but
in
there's
the
a people there.
What is
Babe.
super far?
Pero you will see, there's a people
They're going
there.
to circle, look, they want to land. They're going to land on the ground.
Nakikita niyo ba?
And look, it's a green and
Pero
gold.
don't kick me.
Australian.
She kicking me.
Look, Australian color, green and gold. Oh, look at the guy, it's coming.
Ang galing!
See how they can land on the X.
Wow!
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 It's a gold. Old
Wow!
It's like Santa.
Wow! Wow! Oh my God!
This one, look. Can they get close to the egg?
Wow! Wow! Very good. There's another one. Grabe, the airport. Now maybe they have a pond. Yan yung mga taong naghintay manood, oh. Tignan niyo naman. Ang dami, di ba? Doon pa sa dulo. At dito, ang dami, di ba? At si Pera, nanood din. Ang ate, itulog. Ayun. Okay lang, para mamaya gising siya sa fireworks.